Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Today expiry day was very beautiful day. It was a kind of trending day, uptrend, and there was no kind of even a small kind of downtrend during the day, except a small retracements, and all the CE levels gave a very good profit throughout the day. And how it is going to be tomorrow, all these things will be discussed in this short video. Thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investments. So Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it was a kind of flat opening, and then a kind of little ups and downs, and then from there it started its uptrend, and throughout the day there was only one kind of small it's a kind of pretty good retracement, almost from this 9,000 to 9,030 level to down to this 8,890 level. So it was a kind of very good 40 point retracement, except which it was a kind of a very good uptrend. So one sell position got executed over here for this 40-50 point retracement, and also from here Nifty gave a kind of very good sign that I am not going down, and I will be going only upward. So how to catch these kind of moves, and the same thing with the Bank Nifty as well. So one level has been captured at this point, and then after this point it clearly gave a kind of sign that I am not going down, I will be moving up only. So how this can be captured, what are all the indications? Very simple indications which you can use on a daily basis, which will give you these kind of signs, the one sell sign and one buy sign. This buy sign was a huge move. So how to capture these kind of things, all these things will be taught in our TLP program. If you are interested, you can register for the same. And what about tomorrow's level? So yesterday's level. So yesterday's recommendation was both PE and CE. So on the PE side, level was not executed, and the CE level gave a very good profit zone. Like you can see, the opening was 24 and a very nominal drop of 16, and it went up to a level of 207 rupees per lot, which is a kind of very good profit. And on the same side, Bank Nifty, which opened at 153 with a small drop of around 70 points during the opening session, and from where it just started shooting up to this 800 mark, giving a kind of very good return of 650 rupees per lot as a kind of profit. And what is there for tomorrow? So tomorrow, if you look on a daily chart, Nifty it is at a kind of very critical point. So the points, if you see the major resistance, next resistance will be 10,100. So tomorrow's level, you can see, if Nifty crosses 10,100 and stays stable about 10,100, we can go ahead for this 10,100 CE, and the targets will be 10,200 to 250 mark, and on the other side, and stop will be 10,050 or 10,000 mark. As soon as it crosses 10,050 to 10,000 mark, you can exit this CE level. And on the opposite side, if it trades below 10,100, you can exercise put option. So whenever put option, and target for this level will be 10,000 or 9,950 to 9,000 mark. Stop loss for this level will be 10,150. So whenever it touches that 10,150, you can exit this level. At the same time, you can do a reverse trade of call option, and vice versa. Okay, let me conclude for Nifty. So whenever Nifty is above, as long as Nifty is above 10,100, you can exercise 10,100 call option for a target of 10,200 to 10,250 with a stop of 10,050 or 10,000 mark at spot price level. And reverse trading can be done whenever it crosses this 10,050 mark. You can close the CE position and you can exercise put option. And whenever, as long as this is below 10,100 mark, you can exercise 10,100 put option for a target of 10,000 or 9,950 to 9,900 mark. The stop loss for the same will be 10,150. And whenever it crosses the 10,100 to 10,150 mark, you can close this put option and you can exercise reverse trade on the call option side. And Bank Nifty is not much different. Whenever it crosses this 21,000 mark, you can exercise 21,000 call option. Targets will be 21,300 to 21,500. And on the other side, if it is not crossing above 21,000, you can exercise this 21,000 put option for a target of 20,800 or 700 to 20,500 mark. So most probably on the downside it can touch the 20,500 mark. Stop loss for the same will be 21,100, and whenever it crosses the 21,100 mark, you can do a reverse trade on the call option side. The levels are very clear, but the thing is, it is a kind of end of day kind of analysis. During the trading, you can do wonders in Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can capture like in Bank Nifty you can capture the 40-50 points to 100 point movement, and also on the Bank Nifty side you can capture 100 to 200 point movement very easily with very simple tools. If you want to be a part of that one, you can register for this TLP program, which is very simple. 6 days program or 2 days program is option is available. You can register for the same. So let me conclude for Bank Nifty. Whenever Bank Nifty is about 21,000 mark, you can exercise 21,000 call option. Targets will be 21,300 to 21,500. Stop loss for the same will be, if it is below 21,000, if it crosses below 21,000 or 20,950, you can exit this level, and you can carry out a reverse trading of 21,000 put option for the target of 20,700 to 21,500 mark. And on the other side, if Bank Nifty is pretty much below 21,000 levels, you can exercise 21,000 put option for a target of 20,700 to 20,500 mark. Stop loss for the same will be 21,050. Okay, whenever it crosses the 21,000 to 21,050 mark, you can exit your put option and you can exercise reverse trade with a call option as said earlier. Okay, have a profitable and a safe trade on Friday. Thank you very much. Bye.